Hi, I'm Nadia from Audrey and Me, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your ring sling with a newborn. So, you grab your ring sling, and I like to keep mine pre-threaded. If you need help with the threading, you can watch my threading tutorial. You make sure the tail is at the front, and then depending on which side you like to wear it on, put your other arm through and over, wear it like this. Make sure the rings are quite high up on your shoulder, because as you put the baby in, the weight will bring it down. You start with them quite high to make sure that the whole thing is straight across your back and not twisting. I like to create a little bit of a cap sleeve so it distributes the weight and it's not sitting on your neck. So then you want to make sure that the fabric through the rings is straight. So you want to kind of grab one seam at the top and you kind of walk it through with your fingers to make sure the whole thing is straight. Okay, so then you grab your bum. Make sure they're quite high up on your shoulder and support them with one hand and feed them through with the other hand. Keep your rings up high. Feed them in. We're going to be doing the legs out position. Make sure their feet stay in a froggy pose. Make sure they're in there nice and snug. And their weight is sitting on their bum, not at all on their ankles, ever. You can adjust really easily now. And the rings. And if you need some extra head support, you can roll the top. Like that. So you want to make sure that once the bub's in, you do your safety checks, which is that their bum is sitting lower than their knees. They're close enough to kiss. And you can clearly see their nose and their mouth, and their breathing, and that your rings are sitting at just by your collarbone, like corsage height. So then, everything's nice and comfy. And then to take the bub out, you can really easily support them with one hand. You can really easily slide the rings loose and pop them out.